Hi, I passed my 12th with PCMB this year, and since I like suffering, I gave a hell of a ton of exams like JEE Mains, Advanced, Neet, and IIT.
Wow!
Why? Like everyone says, keep your options open. Well, mission accomplished, but it kinda backfired. Now I have too many options. I am now in the greatest dilemma of my life. Which course do I opt for? And as someone who cannot decide whether she wants a blue rays or a green, it's basically taking a toll on me. Poor me had thought that I'll enjoy post exams, but here we are in an existential crisis. Because how can we expect an 18-year-old to decide something that literally decides their entire life? When an average 18-year-old takes 2 business days to decide their Instagram profile picture. Okay, so I'll now go and make another list of pros and cons, which somehow confuses me even more. Until then, wait for the next episode of What the Hell Am I Supposed to Do? Till then, take care and a goodbye.